What's up, guys? We are going to be so you might know how much subscribers I have. 127. So let me show you something. Count that much, 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 and count that much. I got 127 dynamite right here. I might get like a lot of views. Alright, so to make sure this does not respawn, we're gonna do it near a landmine. This might be the biggest boom on YouTube yet. Actually, I got a really good idea. How about one of the dynamite? We're not gonna use one of the dynamite. One of the dynamite is gonna be sticky dynamite instead. Bye-bye, dynamite. Anyways, so the sticky dynamite right there. There. I'm gonna see if I can go get somebody to like help me or something. Wait, actually, how about I'm gonna get this backpack out. Alright. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be the last bag. So this is going to be the last bag. I'm gonna ask somebody to like join so that they can like help me. Actually, anybody, so any of my friends online? I heard some buzzing. Oh my gosh. I heard some buzzing. Well, that's so weird. Alright, so we're gonna be going into like going into a code. We're gonna be asking people. Does anybody want to explode so much dynamite? We're hungry. So we can buy G27. Wait, G27. 786. G27. So you probably got the code. Make sure you did get the code. If you didn't get the code, I'm gonna be upset. I don't want a fly getting on me. Alright, you're here.
Hello?
You're here. Alright, so I got the dynamite.
Where?
You're gonna help me. I got
Something in my eye, bro.
that has dynamite. That has dynamite in it. These are all full bags of dynamite. All of these are full bags of dynamite. Alright?
Bro.
All of those.
Yeah, I get it.
So pour that. I will tell you.
Hold on, there's something in my eye. It hurts so bad. Oh my god.
Alright, so the dynamite we're gonna be pouring over here.
Where?
Over here, around the landmines.
Here.
This is probably gonna be the biggest boom of YouTube.
Oh, it's a YouTube channel. Or you have a YouTube.
Alright, I'm gonna get the other bag.
Bro, this would already... No, we should make like a huge line and like explode one and then they all explode.
Alright, just pour the backpack. Just pour the backpack, alright?
Yeah, these are all full over here, okay? No, I have an idea, okay?
We don't need that anymore. We also don't need that anymore. That's all good.
Okay, 17.
Well, this is gonna be the best boom ever.
Hold on, we do not need this many over here, so.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry.
No,
okay.
trust me, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something really cool. You'll thank me, I promise.
Let's do this before they despawn. Is there any more? Nope.
No, hold on. Wait,
All right. We must
wait,
have...
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
No! Wait, I think we poured it all, except for like a little bit more. Sticky dynamite. All right, I got the other bag of dynamite. So now, all right, now I think we're good. Wait, let's get
Okay,
these.
ready?
Let's,
Wait, hold on.
We're
Okay?
not ready yet. We gotta get
gonna-
these.
Here, I'll light this one over here, okay? When we're ready.
No, don't light it because I got something to actually explode.
Wait, no, don't do that. No, don't do that.
So this is my fan base right here. All of these are my fan base.
Okay, ready?
Wait,
Ready? Get on the grass. No, don't take any. Leave them there. No, please, leave them there.
Hold on.
Drop it. No, drop it.
There.
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Wait, no.
Hold on, put that one down.
Do that. Never
Drop it.
mind,
No,
but I want you. Oh,
It was so cool.
bro, that was actually
That was
cool.
sick.
No way.